Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for tuning back to another episode of my opinion on this YouTube platform. I'm sharing all kind of information about different subjects. Uh, Please smash the like button so other YouTubers will be able to find this video. I personally was searching for this video on YouTube and I couldn't find any information, valuable information about this video, so this is why I would like to share it with you. um, First of all, I would like also to apologize for my English isn't my first, neither my second language. I'm trying my best. Okay, so let's start with video. Today we are going to talk about how to make a partial refund for your buyer. I personally got very confused with that. I don't know why eBay making that so complicated. But let's start. So on the top, my screen doesn't go that high, but on the top right corner you have my eBay. I mean, you cannot see it on your end, but I can see it on mine. You will need to scroll down to selling, click on selling, then it will bring you to that seller hub. You would need to go to orders, and let's assume that you would like to partial refund after you already sold an item. So obviously, I mean, this is why I need it for. So you'll go to paid and shipped, and then you would need to scroll down between the paid and shipped item that you already sold lately. That's the items I sold. Today I just refund for this item, but let me show you how does it work. Once again, I don't know why eBay made it so complicated, but the way you do that, let's assume that you would like to partial refund for this item. You will need to go to a little bit to the right of the screen. You see you sold it for $164.95. The total amount the buyers paid it was $174.85, and then on the other side of the total you have that small thing. I don't even know what is that, but you click on that. Ooh, it doesn't allow me. Maybe here? Include eBay. Let's try it. Like this. Okay, so let me go back. So you actually click on the amount itself, not on that. That one maybe was my mistake. Okay, so you click on the total amount. Here you go. And on that screen you can see that the buyer paid, you shipped it, it was delivered, the information of the buyer, if anybody cares. And then you would need to go, you see that leave feedback, and then the arrow, you click on the arrow, you scroll down to the send refund. See how complicated, how many steps you need to do. Refund the buyer. Okay, on the bottom over here you do need to select the option, otherwise you won't be able to continue with that. So you're selecting the right you need to select the right reason. I don't know, let's do buyer return or other adjustment. Other adjustment is good. It's personal over here, you don't have to do it, note to the buyer, but I usually rather to leave a note to the buyer saying, hi, thank you dear buyer for shopping with us, blah blah blah. Please accept this partial refund for this and that reason. And then on the side you can enter the amount that you agreed with the buyer to partial refund. And you see on the bottom, let's say it's $23, not 123. Let's say he paid 164, and you in the buyer, you decided that you wanna refund him $23. It will come out on the bottom, and then you just need to press on review refund, and then you just confirm that. I am not gonna do that for this item because I already done that a second ago for another item, and this item actually was sold successfully, so it's not in my interest to refund anything to this buyer. But that's about it. It's might look very confusing, but it's really straightforward. So once again, you're going to the my eBay on the top, you're scrolling down to selling and go through orders. It depends on your order. Maybe you didn't ship that, but I don't see a reason to refund to a buyer if you didn't ship it. But you need to go to paid and shipped, and then find the item that you sold. It's easy, and you just click on the total amount, and from there it's very easy. Okay guys, I hope that this video was helpful to some of you. If you have any other questions, please let me know. I'll try my best to answer it, and please smash this like button, so once again other people will be able to find this video, and I hope this video actually helped some of you. Thank you very much, and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye bye.